Yes, finally, the key we have been farming or mining for some time now, about a month and now, has finally been listed on CoinGecko. I don't know some of you that knows CoinGecko. Yes, CoinGecko is a marketplace where you research potential coins to invest your money into, just like CoinMarketCap. Okay. Now, looking at their Telegram page here, this is a key. Can you see it? All of them have verified 100. Okay, that is key for you on Telegram. So they say congratulations, key has logged into CoinGecko. All right, so if you go to CoinGecko, that means you're gonna see the key we have been farming, the price and everything. We'll get there, we'll get there, so don't panic, don't worry. If you're a returning subscriber, really appreciate you for coming around to watch my videos. God bless you guys. And if you are new to the channel, this is the first time of coming around, God bless you too. Subscribe, comment, share, like, and support this channel to grow greater than the level it is now. Or let's go down. So looking at the update they dropped a few days ago, they said the snapshot airdrop for key will be scheduled between 1:00 and 10:00 Washington time on July 28, 2025. Can you see it? Good. Users participating in the key airdrop are advised to keep key in their KeyChain wallet for the snapshot airdrop. I will quickly make, after this very video, make another video on key on how you can buy it on PancakeSwap exchange. Are you getting it? Right, let's proceed. So our key chain goes live July 29, 8 a.m. Washington time UTC. Okay, staking and mining begins. Can you see it there? So that is it. So they said, we are pleased to announce that on July 29, 2025 at 8 a.m. Washington time, the KeyChain ecosystem will undergo a milestone upgrade. The global staking mining system will be officially launched. Okay, good. So that is it. So let me show you. They said here, if you 4 days ago, they said we have created a fund pool on the decentralized exchange PancakeSwap at 1:45 is 50 a.m. Washington time on July 26th. That was a few days ago. So the initial fund pool size is $3,000 worth of USDT. Okay, see, these guys are serious. Look at the money they have already invested on this project. So don't joke with it. This is the contract address. Okay, go add it to your Trust Wallet. I'll make a video on that, how to add it on Trust Wallet and how to buy your key on Trust Wallet. So don't fail to subscribe so that you'll be getting updates from my channel. That's it. Thank you. Let's go to CoinGecko. Okay, let's go to CoinGecko app and check out key, the price of key there. It has been listed on this. This is CoinGecko. If you don't have it, go to Play Store, download it. CoinGecko is like CoinMarketCap. This is where you come and search, check out tokens, bull run tokens you can analyze before investing your money, so that at the end of the day you can make a little profit. It's just like CoinMarketCap also. They're like brother and sister. Alright, so let's check out our key. You either come here to search. This is a search engine. Okay, this search, or you come to this up and search for any coin once. So I prefer going up. Click on that search engine up. Let's type it. Just a side patient. Network is bad from my end. Type an side patient, it will pop up. Alright, have you seen it? Okay, good. Let me click on it. Alright, this is the current price of key on CoinGecko. Good. This is a 0.17 cents. Okay, is minus 9% down now. See it, last 24 hours. So let's go a little down. Let's check out this This is the price they are seeing here. This is the price. Okay, now let's check out the market cap. Already, we have already known the market cap. Is there any need of checking the market cap? Okay, see the market cap here. See the market cap, $17 million. That's the market cap of Key. Okay, then fully diluted valuation FDV is also $17 million. And checking out their circulating supply, that's the total number of key in circulation, 97 million pieces of key. Then the total supply of key, the total supply is 97 million too of key. You go down, the maximum supply 97. Now maximum supply means the number of the total number of coin, the total number of key that is being created, that is in existence. Let me use that word. Okay, so this is the trading volume. This is a trading volume, $86,000. Wow, these guys are trying. So it's on Pancake, it's on Binance Smart Chain blockchain. It's on Key is on Binance network, on Binance blockchain. See it here. Binance Smart Chain network or blockchain. So you can always come here to copy the contract address of Key, go and add it to your Trust wallet, then proceed to a Pancake Swap exchange, buy it and go your way. Can you see it? Good. So Key has finally been listed. The long awaited Key is finally this is over. This is, if you want to get every portion about this project, you go there. This is the market, this is portfolio. I'm showing how to carry out analysis now. I'm just taking time to show you fundamental analysis. Okay, this is where you get news. Okay, you see it's trying to come up, it's trying to retrace. It's showing green and red at the center. All right, if I want to look at the last 24 hours, it drops to 9%. So if you check how it pumped the last 7 days, you see it come to these 7 days. You want to know if it did well, check the last 7 days. If you want to know if the project did just like that. So I don't want this video to be long. No. Let me stop here. Thank you so much. So today, if you have not, go and activate it. It's very important. It's very important. See my own. Let me activate it now. Let me activate my mining button. All right, network is bad, but just hold on. I've gotten 27 keys. Okay, so I've activated it. I will still come back in the next 24 hours tomorrow, by this and tomorrow, and activate it again. Okay, so if you click on this place, you will see the total number of BTC I've been able to accumulate. So I've just cleared my own before making this video. You see the total number of BTC I've been able to accumulate since the day you started mining this project. So what do? You come here on this receive, click on receive, claim it, click on that receive. Okay, they'll ask you, are you sure you want to collect? You say yes. Okay, they'll drop it for you. So that is it. Then you see it, the same figure we saw on CoinGecko. You say total circulation 97 million of it. Then this one is mining amount 40 million. That's 40 million that people are, 40 million of the token people are mining or have mined. So, and it's a 2 years project. It's a 2 years what project? See, it's a 2 years project. Okay, so this is the number of my referrals. All right, that is it. People are not smart. This is where you can call you, where you get your referral link here. You see, mining is in progress. Good. So that is it. They have a lot of, look at Key app. They have a lot of features. Key app. If you want to know about the project, more about the project, click on this white paper and read more about them. They have license. They're licensed projects. Okay. They have Key Square and many other projects. See it. Key Intel. Eh? So see it here. They have a lot of features. It's a loaded project. They have a lot of features. So let me stop here.